Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, it's a new day, you know, it's a new vlog. And today may I start off the vlog in the gym, you know what I mean? So we can get a quick early morning workout today. The snow now fall today out and it's sunny. I'm gonna start out today with some chest press and see what can go on. Somebody say, yo, may I beat the 100 them like them too light. May I go see if me can go a little further, I still not kill myself. I don't want to tell. I now drink my muscle milk, you know, I need to start drinking my muscle milk.
Like paper planes, we never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Me feel every one of them there. Oh my goodness. Wow.
There's something different about us.
Wow. No, sir. Let me sit down here, so you can see me. Hey, follow me. Come on, Mr. Camera. Follow me. That feel good, me not lie. Them they feel good. Me have got to take off this, you know, sir.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
You must always do them to failure. I make sure I always work out to failure. So I don't work out until I'm tired. I work out until I can't push it no more. Right now, my and them are ball. Me and them are ball right now. And my chest, not bad. Outside nice today. You can actually feel the sun on my face today.
About the way we are. Something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. Something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Me I got work and me feel for a party. No, me a vlog. Me up on my headphone, people, so don't feel like me a mad if you hear me talk to myself. Me want to run go buy a party right now before me reach work. I'm in a dress for work because out here freeze. And me a freeze. Wow. Hello? Can't wait that now. Can't wait that now.
Cheese, meatloaf. We do have beef patty actually. So there's jerk chicken, shrimp,
Let me get the jerk on
and we
there.
have curry chicken and
Curry and a jerk. Yeah. So people, me get my party. Me late for work, me 1 minute late. But me I go make it. Me just reach in, me about to hide my party. And then me probably do one class first. And then me go cancel my party. Cause me not so hungry right now. So more kinda hungry when me I cancel my party. I go down in a lunchroom go thief 2 milk. Yeah, me know when you see me today and probably I say when me I go in a dark glasses. My glass them when me dey out in the sun, them turn dark glasses. Every time I go back inside and come back to this hour. I don't even know which one or which one. Just know so them party best patty in Mount Vernon. Ultimate Juice on Grammaton Avenue. This is chicken patty. Just bad. Funny patty. Yo, you just have the right amount of flakes. The crust just right. This are them chicken one. This bad. I sweep out in here, I go sweep out in here back again. This hot. When I say hot, I mean this a kick. Season so good. I go out there tomorrow, go buy 3. Hello, you hear me? Hello? Yeah. Hold on there. The jerk chicken patty, no. Yo, my friend look one. Cause I see something and it look like a piece of shrimp in a patty. I see the little something there and I think a piece of shrimp meat that, you know. Cause when you know say me allergic to shrimp, well, who knows say me allergic to shrimp. That's why I try taste like while I taste if I really shrimp. But a chicken still. But me just never like how the little patty look right there, so. Just look like a piece of shrimp. I taste the right spices them in it. The regular chicken, me give it to me 10 out of 10. Easily 10 out of 10. This 8.5. If you love spice, you would give this 10 out of 10. We give 8.5 first, but 8.9. Kind bad. We give this 9. This bad. Spice beat me. I would recommend them to anybody. But if you don't really mess with spice, stay away from the jerk one. I go Google what time they close. Cause I probably go back out there before I go to my yard, you know. Hello? Alright, my belly full now. Full. Can't go back with the people and walk here now. No crumbs in my beard. Wow. So I'm just done and me have 12 minutes left before I can leave. And I can feel out the door freeze from which part me there right there. So answer. Me a link on the back. So vlog world right about now, you don't know we're there. About to touch the road. Well, we're up on the road already. But, probably got pet car or something today. Got a little place for us. Me and Pops in the building.
Cold like ice, my boy.
Yes, you cold.
What?
Remember, him just a forward up from Florida. Well, him there for a while now. Yeah. But you don't know Florida hot. Florida is like Jamaica, so him there now I get some of the real American breeze. Yes, if you see what I go on the road. Yes, sir. 2 more clothes.
Yeah, one more.
Oh, you want to put on more?
We have to have more.
So we're going to a store like where we're going to look for some bracelet thing. And one little idiot bracelet them they have in this. So right now, we probably just go searching it and just buy it online instead. Cause I'm not sure where else we probably can find that right now. But me about to go Petco and see. We need to go get some cricket and probably get some worm. We need to get something for my bird too. I'm going to show all of them because I have a bird but I never see bird before. Some of you know I follow me on Instagram see lizard before Enzo. So I'm going to show all of them something. I have 2 hamsters, I'm going to show all of them something. So I wait for a ride right now. So I'm going to link on the back and reach Petco.
One time I have some feed them Toronto to them dead.
You feed them and they go dead? Me have this, you know. Me wonder if I gain so and look at TV. When they look good. People mostly buy them here for feed. Like for feed other fish or starter sitting there when little pitney want goldfish, cause them here 49 cents for one. I need to see somebody so I can ask him for. Let me get some cricket. Them worm I need some of them little worm here. But they want them too small. Can't see them in there though.
That one they have?
$390 for him.
How much?
$399. Well, if I get him and he dead, I have to eat him. Ferret. And look at me, yo, me always the one with ferret, you know, but then say then frownsy. No man, I know them one there possum. They are more like mongoose. No one there. People take a wild guess and tell me how much you think for him. Right now. So right now we're in Famous Footwear. I wonder if I go tell them say my name Famous and give me a discount. See some winter boot in them. I need a winter boot, you know. Not the one I need. You kick somebody with that, then stay a kick. Wow, which one? Oh, they have Tims in here. I want to buy a pair of Tims, you know. What are some Tims expensive? You know, long me not buy a Timberland. I want to see if I can find one nice little plate. So when I do my cooking video, I have one plate will look nice and presentable for cook. For share the food, you know. I need something fancy. Something fancy, you know. Like something like this for share the food, you know. Right now, I'm there in the places for I buy my glasses. I know some buy my glasses now $500 and pay for it now. The glass itself costs $200, and then for put in the prescription lens and for make it change color and do all type of something, that make it come up to I was just wondering if I could get a printout for my prescription.
Let me pull up your file. Let me make sure I have that information for you.
Okay. So I get my prescription. People me blind, look there. Blind. So now I can go online and just put in this and buy different frames. Can I get a just an impossible breakfast sandwich? And yes. And a mango dragon fruit. Yes. Medium. And a medium strawberry acai. No lie, the dragon fruit one not so bad, but the strawberry one, my best one. Strawberry one, definitely the best one. Get my beverage, get my food, so if I check back in, I don't know. Daisy. Hello. Feeding time. Don't come out to me.